This is, if you want to call it Nerf, then fine. It's BuzzBee double shot. This is, I think one of the two only guns that BuzzBee didn't copy off of Nerf. Yeah, it's actually a really good gun. Comes with shells, and comes with, as they say, secret compartment. Everybody knows about it. It's just an ammo holder. It comes with 4 shells and 6 darts. I don't get it why they wanted to give you 6 shells and 6 darts. So, yeah, that's one of the bad things. And just sometimes if you load them in wrong, the darts can get them bent a little and they won't shoot. You can tell that one, the shell doesn't, when you push it in, it doesn't push in. And this is a very simple gun. You don't want to modify the gun though if you wanted to modify it. Just modify the shells. There's no air restrictor. None of that thing that puts the dart in the gun. It's just the gun. Modify the shells. Don't use a screwdriver though. They'll break the shell. So, and the shell and the thing that's in the shell that holds the darts comes out of the shell, so it's really easy to modify that. Just break it. Okay, I'm going to do a firing test because this is just a basic thing. Over at that wall again, from my recon vid, which she should have been pointing at me. She got that wall. Yeah, sometimes the darts will get cracked. The shell pop right out. Shot. It'll make a pointy sound or pointy sound 3 times. When it gets to the 3rd time, then it means it's cocked. You can just you can also just maybe bring it up like that and just fire it too. That sound was a lot better. There's this last one. This is really other dirt somewhere. It is a really good gun. So, it takes a while reloading though, but for its range, it's actually pretty good. So, that's it, really. This is the BuzzBee /Nerf double shot / shot.